Hello guys, let's discuss out one of the largest protests going after the independence of India, which is farmer protest. And why is it going on? What are the various issues facing by the farmer? What are the government stance? What are the three laws which are introduced by the government to reforms the agriculture sectors? Hello guys, I am Kartikeya Hundet in a team of LEXIS and Company as an intern, providing this video to understand more about the basic understanding what are the going on dispute between Indian farmers with the government of India. It is almost 6 months passed by the starting of the protesters. There was many deaths and many other instances of 26th of January and other advantages mishap happening during this protest. So understand what are these agriculture reforms and how they can be considered to be a second green revolution in India if they are implemented in a good way, and all the concern related to these laws can be highlighted or resolved by the government. So in the recent year there is a reforms required to be in the Indian agriculture sector because of the 40% of our Indian population which almost depend on the rural agriculture as their source of economics, as the rural areas mostly depend works in an agriculture sectors. So therefore there is a need for providing a more benefit and robust reforms in the agriculture sector, because after the independence this sector is not taking any much reforms also. सो इसके बाद एक फर्स्ट रिफॉर्म, इसकी रिफॉर्म के लिए एक भारत सरकार में 2000 में एक स्टार्ट हुई, एक कमेटी का फॉर्म हुआ जिसको बोलते हैं नेशनल एग्रीकल्चर पॉलिसी स्टार्ट करी. इस पॉलिसी का मेन मोटो ये था कि देखें कि किस किस एरिया में अपन एग्रीकल्चर के में रिफॉर्म कर सकते हैं जिससे कि बेटर प्रोडक्शन हो और उसमें प्राइवेट पार्टी का पार्टिसिपेशन, जैसे फार्मर की पर्टिकुलरली लेवरेज मिले और उनको मोर एडवांटेज मिले इससे. सो इस कमिटी जो पॉलिसी थी इसको अपन रेनबो रिवॉल्यूशन भी कहा जाता था इस पॉलिसी के अंडर. सो इस पॉलिसी में बहुत सारे एरिया ऑफ कंसर्न बताए कि अपने एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर में थे, जैसे कि एपीएमसी का मतलब होता है एग्रीकल्चर प्रोड्यूस मार्केटिंग कमेटी. सो एपीएमसी इस कमेटी रहती थी जिसके अंदर सारे रेगुलेशन रिलेटेड टू ऑल द एग्रीकल्चर दे वर बी डिसाइडेड बाय देम. So in 2001 there was a key formation about the proposal related to agriculture reforms bills which was proposed in 2001. There should be an APMC, there should be a repealation of Essential Commodity Act. The Essential Commodity Act says that if there are any 23 commodity which are to be governed by the government, if there is any emergency situation the government are liable to stock them. They can limit such a stock. So this is one of the which is Essential Commodity Act, which affects the farmer incomes or it makes also affects the production of crops also. Therefore the government satisfied that there should be a reforms to this. So what the observation proposed was that focuses on the three basic reforms to the agriculture production marketing committees. The APMC should be reformed more, repeal or review the Essential Commodity Act ECA and others law that will be overlined there unilaterally, which have a unilateral binding effect. The third is the removal of restrictions to enable free movement of agriculture commodities across the country. If in this previously there was a law that does not give farmer rights to sell their product in different districts. So while producing, the farmer can have now the right under these laws they can sell their production crops to other state also if they want. So so I think that these reforms are required to be highlighted by the government. So they proposed these laws, but these laws were passed by unilaterally. There was no standing. The parliament passed these laws and president give the assent, but these are passed by the unilaterally. There was no committee there is no review committee or standing committee to review the proposed bill, or the passing of bill does not take any consent from the area of concern such as farmer unions also. By giving their consent is they satisfied with the proposed bill or not. So in 2002 the three laws were introduced. So I give you the basic name of what are the three laws which governing. The first is APMC bypass law. They are commonly known as this, but the reform means the Farmers प्रोड्यूस ट्रेड एंड कॉमर्स प्रोटेक्शन एंड फैसिलिटेट एक्ट। सो ये क्या करता था, इस एक्ट के थ्रू एपीएमसी को पावर मिल जाती थी कि अब कोई भी फार्मर किसी भी जगह जाके दे सकता है अपने प्रोडक्शन को, और किसी भी जगह देयर इज नोन और एक और कोई भी दूसरी मंडीज भी खोल सकता है, तो बायर के लिए कोई लाइसेंस लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। फिर दूसरा आता है कॉन्ट्रैक्ट फार्मिंग लॉस। ये इससे करता था कि अब डायरेक्ट बायर्स और द डायरेक्ट कॉमर्शियल कंपनी कैन कॉन्टैक्ट द फार्मर्स टू प्रोड्यूस सच क्रॉप्स। इट प्रोवाइड देम क्रॉप को पहले लगाने से, खरीफ और रबी क्रॉप लगाने से पहले उनके पास एक एग्रीमेंट कर लेते थे पार्टी के साथ और कंपनी के साथ कि मुझे आपसे 500 हेक्टेयर या 500 टन आलू चाहिए, तो पहले से एग्रीमेंट हो जाएगा तो आपको एडवांस मिल जाएगा। तो इसमें ये नहीं रहेगा कि कोई क्लाइमेट चेंज हो गया या पैदावार कम हुई तो हम उनको नहीं दे पाए, उन्होंने पहले ही फिक्स कर दिया इतने प्राइस पे आपसे तल लेंगे हम। ये आपका ये होगा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट फार्मिंग रिफॉर्म्स। द थर्ड इज द एसेंशियल कमोडिटी एक्ट। तो जो एसेंशियल कमोडिटी एक्ट में अब ये कर दिया सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने कि अब पार्टीज और फार्मर के पास राइट है कि वो स्टॉक कर सकते हैं किसी भी अपने कमोडिटीज़ को, एक्सेप्ट सच केसेस इन विच देयर इज एन नेशनल एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी सर्कमस्टांसेस प्रिस्क्राइब बाय दीज एक्ट्स। सो इट्स एम ऑफ दिस एक्ट टू क्रिएट मोर profit to farmers in the now I discuss about what in the next video I discuss more on the what are the various issues by the farmers related to this and what are their contention and how can they become a middle ground to resolve such issues. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe this, comment this and share with other, and subscribe this channel also to understand more and learn more about legal knowledge also. Thank you guys for watching this video.